Hello everyone, my name is Plamena and today we'll be talking about presents in Bulgaria and in Bulgarian. Very often we need to buy a present or we want to buy a present for somebody or for ourselves, and the word for a present is Podarak. Podarak also is the base for a whole verb. To give a present is podaryavam, a verb from group A, and the finished aspect. If you want to give a present once, if we are doing the activity only one time, the word will be podarya. For example, всеки път подарявам цветя на Мария. Every time I give flowers to Maria as a present. But утре ще подаря цветя на Петя. Tomorrow I will give flowers to Petya as a present. So, in the first example, подарявам with всеки път, every time. But for tomorrow, for the one time, action and activity will use ще подаря. And това е подарък. This is a gift. The noun podarak, един masculine word. But if we put it in plural and we want to say many presents, the word will change into подаръци. For example, I want many presents. Искам много подаръци. And if we are counting one present, един подарък, two presents will be два подаръка. Ending a for the number two, два, and also ending a for подаръка because we use the counting form here. So two presents, два подаръка, три подаръка, three presents, and so on. And then when we want to wrap it in a paper and not in a box like this particular one, това е кутия за подарък, a box for a present, nice, pretty, with decorations. If we want to wrap it additionally in a wrapping paper, the word for paper in Bulgarian is хартия only, and wrapping paper is опаковъчна хартия. Опаковам has several meanings. It can be to pack something in a packaging, to put it on the market, to sell it, or опаковам подарък would be meaning to wrap a present. So, искам да опаковам този подарък в тази хартия. I want to wrap this present in this paper. And then, when we wrap the present, след като опаковаме подаръка, after we wrap the present, слагаме панделка. We put a ribbon. This, without tying it, is just a lenta most of the time, the ribbon material. However, when we tie it nicely and it looks like this or maybe like this, it becomes pandelka when it has a nice shape. And it can also become a very nice cat toy. So, подарък, опаковъчна хартия, лента и панделка. To say that I'm tying the ribbon, I will use the verb връзвам лентата. Връзвам, to tie. And the unfinished aspect is връзвам, which we use for repetitive, regular, long actions, or when we are right now in the middle of the action. Сега връзвам панделката. But Искам да вържа панделката. The finished aspect is вържа. Искам да вържа тази панделка. I want to tie this ribbon. And if we are using it for one-time occurring actions, the word will be вържа, but връзвам панделка на всички подаръци. I am tying ribbons to all the presents. If we are doing it many times or repetitively or regularly, we'll use връзвам. And the most important word that we should remember from this video, подарявам, подарък. Подарявам, the verb, подарък, the gift. Подарявате ли подаръци? Do you give presents? Or do you prefer to receive presents? Или предпочитате да получавате подаръци? To give a present, давам also works, but to receive will be expressed with получавам, to receive. So, do you receive or do you give presents? Comment below. Thank you.